Hello, users and friends. What you see here is produced by DC regulated power supply. Then this model. It's RK83 186D30. Then this power supply. The highest voltage is 60 volts, current up to 30 A. And I'm going to show you the front panel of this power supply. Here is the power switch. When the power supply is plugged in and turned on, the entire display window is lit up. Then this display window displays the voltage value. This side shows the current. This row of buttons. And that V is the voltage. Let's press this button. We can adjust the voltage. This is the preset state. This I stands for electric current. What is the current viewership of our preset current limit? It can be adjusted by the knob. This button is the system. For system settings, we press this button, enter system settings. We can set it in the system. Then this button. It's the confirm button. This is the confirm button. This one is lock. Then this lock button, so we're going to press it. It locks the entire display window. And the lock light will also light up. This is the output. Output key. We unlock it and press it. The lock light will go off. It's in output state. The output indicator light here is on. The CV light on here represents constant voltage output. This PS light is on, is in the set state. This one here is overheated. Over temperature protection, over voltage protection, and the CC light is on. It represents constant current state. This is the introduction of the front panel. What you are seeing now is the back panel of this power supply. The red and black columns here. The black columns is output. The red one is positive. And black is negative. Then this is our remote compensation. Compensation terminal. Here RS2324885 is an optional communication function. Communication interface. Here, this is the power input socket of the power supply 220. This is the working power input of this power supply. This is an introduction to this instrument. Now, what you see is this one, the back panel of this high power supply. So first, let's look at it from the right. Due to its high power, then this power supply, we need a three-phase power supply. Three-phase power supply 380 volts wiring. We have installed a cover here. After we remove the cover, it's labeled here with a BC. That is to say, our 3 live wires are connected to 3 live wires, A, B and C. Then this G stands for ground wire. Here is the power input. Then the communication between our RS485 and our RS232 is analog, our optional functions. This is the sense compensation terminal. Compensation terminal. Here is a communication port for the dissipator. Due to the high power, then the current is 400A. Our terminal are also installed on the back, positive and negative electrodes. Positive and negative, these two are the outputs. This is the back panel of this power supply. So let's run the test now. The output of our power supply to my electronic load and connect them directly. Connect the positive and negative poles. This electronic load, let's test this power supply. We first set the power supply to the voltage preset. It is now in the preset state. Let's configure a 20 volts. And we're going to adjust that. To adjust to the value we need, we adjust 20 volts. Then our current, our limited viewership of current, will move to 20A. We press this knob. Then he flashes which one. We can adjust this value through this knob. It's done. Now we directly press the output button. Now on our load, the voltage will be displayed. Our load is now running a constant current. The current is currently set at 6A. Then let's order a 10A. We adjust the current on the load. Adjust. Then press this button to turn on the load. On our power supply, he is now in a regulated state, and the output voltage is 20 volts. So his current, that's 10 and 9.99. Because of the line loss, to the load side, it shows 10 above. This shows both voltage and current simultaneously. This is the output state. When we turn off the output light is off. Then on the load, again, nothing. There is no voltage or current. We turn on the output, open it and turn off the load. Then at this moment, it doesn't consume current. There is only a voltage for voltage regulation output. In this state, our load instrument is equivalent to a voltmeter. This is the basic operation of this power supply.